Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a unique poster on CapCut PC. So select a photo and copy and paste that. Select auto removal and remove background, and I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller, like the one in front. And then I'm going to go to adjustments and I will turn down the saturation by 100. And on the background over here, you're just going to go to filters, and select, I think, style, and select whichever style you want and add it underneath the other one. You can use any colors you want to as well. You can even use an overlay, but that is it. You can add in a text here. Maybe I'm just gonna type in poster because I don't know what else to type. And you can change the font and stuff. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.